I did this video about the Fairbanks Summer Arts Festival because I was attending and helping with a bunch of different parts of it, and I wanted to show what is happening during it. So same thing I normally do. It's got a bunch of different parts and activities that you'll see. There's many more beyond this, but I wanted to make sure you guys got at least a vision of kind of what is happening. So enjoy these little videos about the Summer Arts Festival.
I've tried and I've tried, but I just can't make things change. I want to hope, I want to love, but nothing seems to make it.
Bird, dog, sable, king, He's associate really France. With that, I feel what